something you can only do after playing trumpet all through being camp. That feels so weird. Tonight. Don't poke my belly.
Have you ever done? It tickles your tongue. Try it. Try it. Do it with me. See, now don't just feel like an idiot because you're sitting in front of your computer going. Now wait till your mom walks by. We can go and see what happens. Serious. Here's my mom all the time.
There's nothing I can say to that. Just nothing.